Well, I'm very happy with the service. When I came in, my credit score was really low. It was on the 500s, and I had a lot of collections, and I wanted to purchase a home, and I couldn't qualify for a house, so I came to you guys, and you guys helped me, and within 6 months, all you guys deleted all my collections, and was able to buy a house. My credit score went from I think it was 530 or 550 to like 700 within 6 months. So I'm very happy with the service, and I would recommend it to anybody who's interested in fixing the credit, or they want to buy a house or whatever they need to do.